Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm going to give you guys the Graces Bags honest review. As you can see, we're on Trustpilot. There's 517 reviews, but there's only 2.4 in total, and 1 star is at a whopping 60%. So as you can see, 0 stars, like basically AI generated, 0 stars, avoid at all costs, things like that, fraud, and as you can see, great customer service, things like that. Leather is high quality, but this is like so low. And then another person, scam, obviously plastic bag. As you can see, this person put up an image, basically they saw it, things like that, but it's possible to adjust without damaging the whole. There's only two ways to adjust this bag, and it's like very poorly made, things like that. So as you can see, another person said that I wouldn't want them to change the leather because I love how sturdy, although stiff the leather is. I wish there was some protection they can do around the holes. So this is basically a China made product. This is the hole, and it is very low quality, and that is you get for the price. So go for it if you agree with this person. But as you can see, most people get holes with it and things like that, and it is highly not recommended. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.